Yeah, you can see that my saw, to get the outside edge of the tree, I lined it up, the dogs with the outside of the tree there, and that's a 36-inch bar on my still. And you can see how far the bar goes through the tree. So really that tree, I'm wrong, it ain't 6 foot, it's about 5 foot on the stump. But 5 foot on the stump's a nice stick. Yeah, it is. It's a pretty good sized tree. Yeah, it is. It's a beautiful tree. Beautiful saw. The old MS 661, baby. That's the honey bunny. And it ain't funny. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's a damn nice tree. It's hard walking here. It's kind of steep where I'm standing. Yeah, it is. I gotta go downhill a little bit. There. But that one, that's a beautiful fir right there. Yes, it is.